Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class. Today, once more, I am going to start chapter number 40 GK Internet Stalwarts. Internet Stalwarts. What is the meaning of stalwarts? We have to see. I am going through this lesson and I hope you will get the meanings of this. Means who had started and who had taken the initiative of internet. This is meaning coming out here now. So lines are here are some innovative people who came up with ideas and products to help us make better use of internet, match their pictures to the logos of their creations, then match logo to its descriptions. There is given here some pictures and some descriptions given there, some logos are there given, so you have to match them also. Means which personality is related with which logo. Number one I am taking here, you are looking first picture number 1 and this is matched with the C number, and logo number 2 you have to see it is matched here. Larry Page and Sergey Brin, both graduate students at Stanford, collaborated and designed this search engine to be used by their university. More than 1 million data servers around the world are run by this company today, and it owns Orkut, YouTube, Blogger and Google Plus apart from numerous other applications. You know what is here? Already you know this one I have taken, and its correct answer already I have told you. Which one is here in number 1? Twitter, T. This is here. Logo is here already given there. Fourth number logo, T, and this is invented by two students of university. Number 2 I am taking children. Number 2 picture, this is here. This is number 2 picture and you have to go through. This is number 2 picture I am taking, and its description is here. Jack Dorsey. Who is this? Jack Dorsey came up with the idea of this text-based social networking website that sends short messages called tweets. That called here tweets. This is given here. In first number I told you here Google. This is the description of Google. These two students who had invented this one. So what is here? This is called here Google. And the next one, second number is here. This is where Jack Dorsey had given here Twitter account. T. Its logo is a T here. Now next third number I am taking here. Third, two personalities are there and its description is here. Sabbir Bhatia, along with his colleague Jack Smith at Apple, started one of the first free web-based services in 1996. In 1 year, he had around 8.5 million subscribers, and in less than 2 years of founding it, Bill Gates of Microsoft bought it. So its logo is we have to find out its logo, and its logo is MSN Hotmail. What is it? MSN Hotmail. Second number this is given. Number 4th I am taking fourth picture. There is given here, and fourth number I am telling to you. This one is description. Mark Zuckerberg, a Harvard University student, launched this social networking website with his classmates in 2004 when he was just 20 years old. Third number, this is Mark Zuckerberg. He was the student of Harvard University and he had launched a social networking website with his classmates in 2004. and his age was only of 20 years. And its logo, we have to see, its logo is Facebook. F there is given here, its logo is a F, Facebook. Number 5th, we have to see its description. We have to see in 1995 Pierre Omidyar came up and with the idea of online shopping and auction, and set up a website through which users can buy and sell goods and services. And it is here, what is fifth number? EBAY. What is EBAY? It is here EBAY. Students, it is a EBAY. Its logo is a EBAY, in which the people can do a online shopping and auctions, and it is launched by Pierre Omidyar and in 1995. So students, you can match this also. Sixth number I am taking here. This is sixth, same position given there. You have not to go elsewhere. This website defines the era of online video. It was founded by Javed Karim, Chad Hursley, and Steve Chen while working at PayPal in 2005. They have launched this one, and its logo is a YouTube. I think it is clear to you. Its logo is a YouTube. So students, once more I am telling to you, you have to match again. Number 1 is here. Here this is given Google. Number 2 Twitter. Number 3 is MSN Hotmail. Number 4th Facebook, means this is given here app here. Number 5 is ABAY. Number 6 is YouTube. Students, next lesson I am taking here, the great scientists. Lesson number 41, the great scientist. Here I am taking number 1, just like this is line here given. Read the descriptions given below and identify the scientists. Write their names. You may use the help box also. In a help box, names given there, you have to choose those words and fill in the blanks. Number 1, I am taking, he was a Swiss physician and biologist. He was the first researcher to isolate nucleic acid. He isolated various phosphate-rich chemicals, which he called nuclein, from the nuclei of white blood cells in 1869. Means who was Swiss physician and biologist, and his name is, as you know, Frederick Mischester. What is Frederick Mischester? Spelling is FRIEDRICHMIESCHER, Frederick Mischester. Number 2, he was a Serbian American inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and futurist, who is best known for his contributions to the design of the modern alternating current AC electricity supply system. Means what is, he was a Serbian American inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and futurist, who is best known for his contributions to the design of the modern alternating current AC current electricity supply system, and his name is Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla, spelling is NIKOLA TESLA, Nikola Tesla. Number 3 I am taking, he was a French microbiologist and chemist. He and his wife Mary and are best known for their experiments supporting the germ theory of disease, and he is also known for his vaccinations, most notably the first vaccine against rabies. Means he is the inventor of vaccine rabies. This disease comes after the biting of the dogs. So he had given there, and his wife was Mary. From the name of the Mary, it comes out that his name was Louis Pasteur, and he had given great invention. What is answer? Louis Pasteur. Number fourth I am taking here. He was a British inventor and Cornish chemist who is best remembered today for isolating using electricity a series of elements for the first time, potassium and sodium in 1807, and calcium, strontium, barium, magnesium and boron the following year, as well as discovering. Means he is the discoverer of potassium, sodium, calcium, strontium, barium, magnesium and boron, and his name is especially elements in nature of chlorine, iodine also. He was the great scientist, we can say here, because he had done lot of work in the field of science, and he had given us many metals also, elements also, and his name is, means fourth number, Humphrey Davy. Humphrey Davy, spelling is HUMPHRY Humphrey Davy. Number next, fifth number I am taking here. He was an American medical researcher and virologist. He discovered and developed one of the first successful polio vaccine. Means who was the inventor of the first polio vaccine? Born in New York. Where he was born? New York. He attended the City College of New York and New York University School of Medicine. He had attended, and later choosing to do medical research instead of becoming a practicing physician. He did not become a physician, but he has started researching the things, metals, elements, and his name is, what is Jonas Salk. Jonas Salk, spelling is JONASSALK. Jonas Salk. Number sixth I am taking. He was an Italian physicist, astronomer and instrument maker. He was originally going to be a doctor but became a tutor instead. He was a professor of mathematics and natural science in Padua and Pisa. And his name is Galileo. His name is Galileo Galilei. What is here? Galileo Galilei, because this name is already related to or connected to the telescope. He had given this one, great invention. Now I am taking seventh number. The most famous mathematicians and inventor in ancient Greece. He is especially important for his discovery of the isolation between the surface and volume of a sphere and its circumscribing cylinder, and his name is we can see Archimedes. There is numbers of the principles of Archimedes he had given about the science, so we can understand through it. He is a greatest scientist today also. We can find here as a short, but he is a famous and he is a useful. His principles are useful for us also today. Eighth number I am taking. He was a Renaissance era mathematicians and astronomers who formulated a model of the universe that placed the sun rather than earth at the center of the universe, and its answer is Nicholas Copernicus. And its answer is Nicholas Copernicus. And students, I hope these are confirmed to you and you have to complete in a book properly. So we'll meet you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.